YouTube. I'm on Mason's 2023 300 XC TBI. We're going to see how this thing handles the turn track a little today. It is a little dry, a little dusty, a little powdery. And I just came off a Sur-on light bead, so it might take me a minute to get used to this thing. But I haven't got to ride a new TBI bike on my turn track yet, so let's give it a few laps. Let's give it a run. Holy cow, that's power. Oh, it feels so good. It's amazing how I can have so much fun a minute ago on the light bead going so slow, but then so much fun on this in a different way. From the demos, so linear. Now it does have like a power band, a max power point, but it's mild. It's not enough to upset the chassis or anything like that. There's Weston on his SXE5. I was worried that this wouldn't have the right feel for the turn track. He really wanted to get a 250, and I did too. But this is perfect for this kind of racing. This thing is no problem. It's a little slower rev than the 250, but it's good enough for this kind of ride. And still really good for single track, slow bush beating and stuff like that. And yes, I just have on work boots because I was just riding the Sur-on with Weston. This bike is amazing. Love it. I can't really find any fail points or anything I don't like. And it pulls forever. Like, I came out of there and yes, I was maybe a gear high, but I didn't have to shift gears all the way down that straight. On my 4-stroke, I shift twice in that straight. And this thing turns so much nicer than my 450. You can't go wrong with TBI, guys. Not if you're wanting to do some of this riding too. Some higher speed open stuff. If you're only playing on single track, I think the TBI is amazing, but for a little bit of everything, this bike is key. What's up, big dog? What up? Guys, I didn't even shift the gear. This is nuts to me. I was in third. Up, Weston. Oh, no, he's back up. He's good. $15 hours on this thing now. Down here, and I'm gonna do this turn with this weird G out rut. I'm in third gear right now, guys. I'm gonna show you that you can do this turn in third, slip the clutch, and stay in third through this whole straightaway. It's got to be over 100 yards. Third. I could have got to fourth, but didn't necessarily need to. That's just nuts, guys. To come out of that turn from almost a dead stop and be able to make it all the way to the next turn without shifting is wild. Things are a weapon, guys.